Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Pioneer AVH-W4500NEX, a 7-inch double-DIN head unit that's packed with features. If you've been wanting a receiver that balances convenience, connectivity, and entertainment, this one might be the perfect fit. Let's break it down with features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. 7-inch capacitive touchscreen. Bright, responsive, and intuitive, making it easy to navigate apps and settings. Wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Enjoy smartphone integration your way, either go wireless for convenience or wired for stability. Multiple media options. Play CDs, DVDs, SD cards, USB drives, or stream via Bluetooth. Basically, no matter how you consume media, it's covered. Backup camera support. A must-have safety feature, especially for bigger vehicles. HD radio, Sirius XM, FLAC, and high-volt RCA outputs. Whether you're a digital radio fan or an audiophile, it's built for high-quality sound and powerful output. Versatile connectivity, from wireless CarPlay to physical discs, it handles just about every input you can think of. Solid audio performance, high-volt RCA outputs and FLAC support mean great sound for upgraded systems. User-friendly interface, the capacitive touchscreen feels smooth and modern, much like using a smartphone. No split screen or large display, unlike some newer floating screen models, you're limited to a standard 7-inch display. Premium price, with so many features packed in, it's not the cheapest double-DIN on the market. At the end of the day, the Pioneer AVH-W4500NEX is a powerhouse double-DIN receiver. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, tons of media support, and great sound, it's built for drivers who want both convenience and quality. If you're ready to upgrade your car's stereo, check out the Amazon link below to grab yours. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tech reviews.